the way that people couldn't tell if this was my hair or not. Let's get into the video so I can tell you all the details. I have a Kinky Straight 360 wig in 22 inches from Ashimary, and the Kinky Straight texture alone already gives the wig a supernatural look, but this one has a newborn hairline which looks just like natural baby hairs. And this is a pre-everything wig, so it comes already done up. It's pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, so really all you're doing is just throwing it on and using the straps and everything that it has to tighten it up and just get it to fit how you like. And it's a 360 wig, meaning it has lace all the way around, so you can put this up into a ponytail or a bun. So I'm going to be straightening the hair, so right now I'm just kind of detangling it, but I really didn't have to do much to it at all. I'm just going to kind of run the flat iron through it just to get the roots a little straighter, and I'm also going to play around with a little updo at the end. But before I get into straightening, I did just go ahead and glue the front of my wig down just to hold it in place because I plan on wearing it for a couple days. So I just wanted to glue it down and have it nice and secure. And then I just went in with some lace tinting powder, and I love this stuff. It literally just blends the lace in with your skin so well. I love this brand. And this wig has such high quality lace. Like, this looks so good and natural. Next, I just went over my hair with the flat iron. I really didn't do too much to it. I just wanted to get it a little bit straight. Let's talk about how this looks like it's growing from my scalp. Like, I'm obsessed with this. Next, I went in with some mousse to lay the baby hairs, and again, this is looking so good and natural. I just went in with a little bit and just kind of swooped them to the side. Here's the final look, and I am so obsessed with how this turned out. It looks so natural. I love a good kinky straight texture, and the edges just did everything they needed to do. And I also love that it is pre-everything, so it came plucked, bleached. All I had to do was throw it on and do little minor touches. But other than that, this was such an easy install, and it is super cute like this, but this is a 360 wig, so you can also throw it up in an updo, which I'm going to be doing shortly, and it turned out so cute. But this is definitely one that you want to check out. It's from Ashimary, and it's their kinky straight 360 wig in 22 inches, and I'll have all of the information for this hair down in my description box, so definitely check it out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.